When a person receives a diagnosis of cancer, everything becomes uncertain about their world. Everything. They have no idea what's going to happen to them, and they're thinking the worst. What a moment, what an opportunity for us to be there for them. And how we show up at that moment for them means everything. And that's why we exist as healthcare providers.
Right after I received the phone call where I learned I had breast cancer, the first thought that went through my mind is that this is a tumor that grows fast and has a tendency to spread. From the moment I was diagnosed, I was acutely aware that this would be a challenge that not only I was going to go through, but that he was going to go through and that we were going to go through together. That's what goes through your mind. You think about your family. I thought about Max. And is this going to be something that continues to come back, and that I'm not going to make it? That's the thought that goes through your mind. For a patient, when you're going through something like this, even for a healthcare professional like myself, who's worked in healthcare for my entire career, it's very comforting to have a relationship with your nurses or your physicians or your radiation therapists where they engage with you not just as a patient, but they have empathy for you. My nurse, Tina, was the absolute best. As she gave me that first infusion, she walked me through everything that I was going to be experiencing. I knew that I had a care provider that was going to partner with me and was interested in knowing me well, and who recognized that that knowledge of me was going to help her deliver the best care.
We are in the business of taking care of humans, and it's just about a connection. It is just about being humans interacting with each other.
Every single patient lying in every single bed in every single hospital is unique and different. They're with a different diagnosis, they're there with a different family situation, and they're there in different stages of illness and disease.
As they make difficult decisions about their health, choices in care, they need to feel a relationship with us. They can only care for themselves as well as we build relationships with them.
The care that I received is a testimony to not just one individual. It's a testimony to all the physicians, the nurses, the staff, my friends, my family, the other patients I met along the way. The care that you experience is a sum of everyone that's around you. As a patient, I became acutely aware that I'm a part of transforming the care that I now receive.
As a leader, if you're really serious about elevating your organization's performance around patient experience, you have to think about how you organize the team.
It's not intuitive for every healthcare organization to actually think about safety, quality, and experience together. Furthermore, how often are people connecting the engagement of caregivers to the organization and its impact on safety, quality, and experience? So the leaders in those threads, if they're not, have got to work together.
That there are not individual goals that might risk conflicting with one another. Rather, there are team goals across each of those parts of the organization.
Nobody needs silos. The opportunity is to bring that work together, to build engagement through working on improving care.
Transforming care, transforming the culture of the healthcare industry, it takes all of us.